Hey guys, so if you notice that you have some problems with your encoder, it's not working, your machine is going forward or reverse, but it doesn't match on the screen, that means that we need to change our encoder. It's already broken. What's the process of changing an encoder? First thing we need to do is we have to have the replacement. The replacement has to be the same one as the one that we have already on the machine. So in this case we are using 1000 pulses. We need to make sure that it is the one that we already have on the machine. After we take the encoder, we need to find where is the connection. In this case I have it right here. In this connection you can see I have 6 cables. Why 6 cables? Well, for this explanation we are going to find it right here. Right here we have the meaning of every cable. In particular, we need to focus in the blue one and the brown one. Why these two? Because the brown one is the one that has the 24 voltage and the blue one is the one that has the 0 voltage. So we need to make sure that these cables match. Oh, sorry. We have 5 cables here. But here we have 6 cables. Why? Because in this type of encoder we have 3 different signs, but in this case we only need to use 2 signs, forward and reverse. So that's why we need to cancel one of these cables in the encoder. You're going to see on the video how we use the black tape to cancel this the 6th cable. So please keep watching the video so you can notice, you can see how you need to make the change when you broke the encoder.